This fucking poor kid shit.
Slowly trying to get us a little higher. You gotta make the smallest adjustments with your mouse when you want to hover like this. Look at that.
Dude, I don't think my fucking HE rockets are doing any damage.
Dude, look at this perfect hovering right here.
Yeah, that's pretty.
We're not moving at all. Oh, maybe a little bit, but
not enough to really matter.
This fucking guy. Just fucking drive-by rocketing.
whenever you take out the window, the spikes should be gone by then.
Yeah, the spikes. Oh, I just got a kill! I killed him!
Nice.
Nice.
Let me know where the
the window's gotta be down. I just shot in there.
Dad, stop.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right, he's dead too.
Look in the bottom though. It looks like there's a hole.
Guys, I'm gonna drop you guys off. It's not very
Alright, yeah.
You might want to jump when you get a chance.
Oh, turrets. Fucking me up, brother.
Anybody jump?
No, not yet.
You didn't get us.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Let
I'm
me
just
get
gonna fly straight in, okay?
Let me get the dirty rounds on him. I'm gonna hit him with that dirty spaz in the mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna fly. You just have to like get on and crouch, I guess. Alright, nice, right over.
Whoa, no, that turret's gonna fuck us, dude.
Okay.
I can take the turret out if you let me up.
I made it, boys. Big dick.
I made it too.
Don't, can you
Oh, he's
rotate
coming with
that
rockets. He was coming with rockets.
way? Yeah, you guys gonna have to rocket him.
He's gonna rocket me.
He's
I'm gonna
kill
do-
him?
No, I'm gonna take the turret out. Hold tight. Whoa.
What was that?
Motor, you alright?
Yeah.
The motor's rocking.
Dude, that's scary, man. I thought you rocketed yourself.
I'm taking his turret out.
I thought you
Fuck it
rocketed
up,
yourself.
fuck it up,
man.
bud. We coming in, boy. Coming for that
He
sweet.
says I'm hacking.
We come for that sweet little pussy. Do you have more rockets, KSI?
Turret's down.
Right here. Here, motor. Take my rocket.
At least try harder to look legit. You killed him with a sniper.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Like, how much more legit do you want him to look?
I want to say F7 and quit bitching about it.
Slash report, you little faggot.
Uh-oh. Cuddle, you taking hits?
Are you?
No, I think you are.
Yeah, I was gonna try and land there, but that's not a good spot.
I'm in, boys. I'm alright. I jumped off, Cud.
No problem. I don't know if I can land safe on
Says
it.
big bag. I got a 3-minute video cooking, boys. I was rocketing from the heli.
That's a big one.
Oh yeah, boys.
Oh, we just spawned in right here.
Hell yeah. You kill him?
Was this one named Squirrels and Nuts?
Yeah. Dude, look at all this shit.
Why
This
did you
fucking
spawn
kid.
in on the roof?
I don't know. Yo, what else is in here? Nothing?
Nothing. We only got 11 rockets. We can't do shit.
Yeah.